about the alcohols. First of all, these are the organic compounds having OH group attached to the carbon. Alcohols are classified into three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary alcohol has OH group attached to the carbon atom, which is itself attached to one alkyl group. Secondary alcohols are those in which the carbon having the OH group is attached to two other alkyl groups. And tertiary alcohol is the compound in which the carbon having OH group is attached to three other alkyl groups. Now, what about the nomenclature of alcohols? Alcohols are named in this manner, that we have to choose the longest chain, then replace E of the alkane with OL, and then the numbering of the chain is done, giving OH the lowest number. If the multiple OH groups are there, then we have to use diol, triol, diol for two OH groups, triol for three OH groups. For example, CH3CH2OH is called ethanol. CH3 CHOH CH3 propane 2ol, and OH CH2 CH2OH is ethane 1,2-diol. Now, preparation of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols by substitution reactions. Alcohols can be prepared from the alkyl halides by nucleophilic substitution. The general reaction is Rx plus OH minus gives ROH plus X minus. Here, R is the alkyl, X is the halogen, OH minus is the nucleophile, ROH is the alcohol, and X minus is the halide. Now, this mechanism depends on the type of the halide that we are taking as the reactant. If we are using primary halide, then it follows the SN2 mechanism to form the primary alcohols. If secondary halides are taken, then the mechanism may be SN1 or SN2, and the product is secondary alcohol. For tertiary halides, the mechanism is SN1 type, and the formation of tertiary alcohol takes place. Now, general reaction is CH3CH2Cl plus KOH gives CH3CH2OH plus KCl. Now, alcohols, they undergo oxidation under different conditions. First of all, PCC of oxidation is there. PCC for the pyridinium chlorochromate. Now, if primary alcohols are taken in the presence of PCC, we are getting aldehyde RCHO as the product. For secondary alcohol, R2CHOH, on oxidation with PCC, they form R2CO, that is ketone. And for tertiary alcohols, there is no reaction. Then the alkaline, in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, RCH2OH, then the product is carboxylic acid. In the presence of secondary secondary alcohol R2CHOH, in the presence of KMnO4, the product is ketone R2CO. An alkaline KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. So here, if the reactant or the alcohol taken is the primary alcohol, the product is carboxylic acid. If it is secondary alcohol, the product is ketone. And if it is the tertiary alcohol, it is resistant to any reaction. Now, acidic dichromate. In the presence of acidic dichromate, alcohols undergo oxidation. That is, K2Cr2O7 is used as reagent in the presence of H2SO4. And the reaction follows the same pattern as it was with KMnO4. That means that primary alcohol forms acid on oxidation with, in the presence of acidic dichromate. Secondary alcohol forms ketone on oxidation, and tertiary alcohol gives no reaction. In the presence of concentrated nitric acid also, there is a oxidation of primary alcohols to acid, secondary alcohols to ketone, and tertiary alcohols they show CC bond cleavage, means carbon-carbon bond is uh, broken and other products are formed, that is cleavage products are there. Now the another type of oxidation is called open-hole oxidation. It is a selective method used to oxidize secondary alcohols to ketones. Means open-hole oxidation is used for the oxidation of secondary alcohols to form ketones using a mild oxidizing system, and it is named after the Rupert Victor Oppenauer. General reaction of this type of oxidation is R2CHOH, means secondary alcohol in the presence of ALOR thrice. It gives R2CO, means ketone. The usual reagent used in this type of reaction is aluminum tertiary butoxide, which is written as AlOTBu thrice. Excess ketone means the common acetone, and the example is in the presence of uh, AlOTBu thrice, means aluminum tertiary butoxide and acetone. Cyclohexanol forms cyclohexanone. Now, cyclohexanol, it is a secondary alcohol and it is forming cyclohexanone, which is a ketone. So, the mechanism of this type of reaction is through the hydride transfer. Now, alcohol forms complex with the aluminum alkoxide, and the hydride shift from alcohol carbon to the carbonyl carbon after acetone takes place, and the alcohol becomes ketone and the acetone becomes isopropanol. Now, primary alcohols are not used in the open or oxidation, as I have told earlier, that only secondary alcohols are used in this type of oxidation. So, primary alcohols, they are of no use in the open or oxidation, as the primary alcohols would form aldehyde. They don't have the two alkyl groups, so they are not forming ketone, they will form aldehyde, which easily undergoes further reaction, that is condensation. As open or oxidation is mainly used for the secondary alcohols to form the ketones.